I just wanted to give you an update on this vlog that I'm now calling Roadside Assistance. I don't know if you can see my hand here, but I took out this sensor right here and I was like, there's no fluid in the transmission right here. So I said to myself, why don't I see if that's true? And I unplugged the transmission drain. There's lots of transmission fluid in there. And now it's all over me. And that's another step on the saga of me being underneath this truck. Also realized this is not the sensor that I needed to look at. So it's up there. I have to take this wheel off. So that's gonna be fun. Anyways, see you later.